Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use Google NotebookLM, your AI-powered research and note-taking tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Google and search for NotebookLM, and then just click this page, and then try NotebookLM, and then just sign in with your Google account like this. And if you want to make a new notebook, just click Create a new notebook like this, and then just upload your files. It can be PDF or a text or a link of your Google Docs, or even you can also upload audio. And if you want to open an old notebook, just tap on it. For example, I have already created mine before, so I will open it now like this. On this page, you can do several activities to help you learn. You can use chat panel to ask questions about your searches. It's like having a smart research assistant like this. For example, I will ask about what are fundamental principles and essential requirements for successful plant tissue culture like this. And Notebook LM will answer your questions with detail like this. And then you can also generate a report like an instruction manual document or summaries, or you can also generate a study guide, FAQ, and timeline for your searches. And you can even make a mind map and then audio summary that it will become a podcast, AI podcast. And even you can also generate a video summary like this. But for video summaries, it's just available in English only. But for audio or podcast summaries, you can choose your preferred language by just click on settings and then output language, and then just choose your language like this. After you choose your language, just click save. Then just generate your audio by click on this icon. And it will create something like this, like example I made earlier.
Welcome to the deep dive, where we take your source material and distill it into essential knowledge. Give you a shortcut.
Scientists like Theodore Schwann and Matthias
It
Schleiden
become a 2% podcast.
Exactly. But the true intellectual pioneer, the one often called the father of plant tissue culture.
And you can also add more searches to the same notebook by click add searches, this icon, and then just upload your file again. And okay, that's it. In just minutes, you can turn your research into a clear, organized note with Google NotebookLM. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!